evening and welcome to the Arctic Business News. Calls for the CEO of Wilson & Brown to resign are only increasing as investors continue to dump the company's stock. The value of the Arctic's third largest oil and gas insurer has dropped significantly, sparking calls for a vote of no confidence by the board. Representatives from Wilson & Brown continue to reassure investors that the sustained recent spate of iceberg-related disasters, including the Marzana oil spill and the sinking of the Christensen, could not have been foreseen. However, the stock will continue to plummet as long as the company is forced to cover the costs related to this serious disaster. In other news, King Red, one of Alaska's largest fishing companies, is to be bought by the Canadian firm Northwestern. Both companies have agreed to a deal that sees Northwestern purchase the debt and the vessels of King Red at a price significantly less than the market value. King Red was badly hit by a so-called crab conflict that affected the industry last year. Confrontations between American and Canadian fishing fleets in the Beaufort Sea caused by the price of king crab to drop by 65% as consumers sought to voice their displeasure with military involvement in the disputes. It is hoped that the merger of King Red and Northwestern will go some way towards rebuilding the damaged relationship between the fishing industries of these two Arctic bordering nations. And finally, ARC Mining, the second largest mining research contractor in Norway, has continued its growth for the second month running. This sustained rise in the company's value is largely due to their continued excitement over Svalbard's mineral potential. Results of an independent toxicology report on the 24 beluga whales that were found dead on the southwest of Svalbard last month will be released in the coming days. If tests show that beluga whales' deaths were due to lithium toxicity, it would seem to confirm the presence of vast deposits of lithium off the Svalbard coast. This news continues to drive up the price of land on the island, and mining companies from countries including Britain, Germany and Finland are seeing an increased interest in their stock. From all of us here at Arctic Business News, good evening.